camping, hiking, just having something for the car, your work, whatever you need that will carry a bunch of small types of tools that you own that can be put into a nice bag. And it comes in a color of green. I'll show you what you get inside. A awesome patch that says rough enough. Got enough stitching that is reflective. It has a zipper, opens up to a yellowish color with diamond type shapes, and you're going to basically just push it open to make it nice and square. No, you're not going to put your lunch into this, but it's got some zippers that you could put different types of areas of tools and things. And in this big one over here, this net mesh will be a little sticker of rough enough. This is a awesome little tool bag that will hold a lot of things. You could put sockets, you could put hand tools, you could put your RC stuff in it, you could take a battery, you could place it inside. You got some precision screwdrivers you could put inside. You're going to do an oil change for somebody and you want to take your tools, you zip it up. It's got two zippers, got a nice handle, a nice large hike grip that is adjustable, can lock into place, made of aluminum. And yeah, you could do a lot of things with rough enough. You want to put your camera gear, your microphones into the area of interest on top. You want to put your other stuff in here, all your little knickknacks, anything that you can imagine. You're not going to cut this material. It's very strong, and yes indeed, do a lot of things with it. So I hope you enjoy your rough enough tool pouch carrying bag. I hope you enjoy yours if this is the right tool bag for you.